Next question aboard says, Shalom Kavalav, question. Should it be taken as a general rule that couples apply the laws of Yichud when the wife is in Niddah? For example, is the husband allowed to see the wife's hair when she's Niddah? Thank you very much, Rabbi.
Okay, so that's amazing question. That's amazing, absolutely amazing question. So the laws of Yichud is actually with women that permanently forbidden to us, right? So since with the wife, okay, she's forbidden, but not completely forbidden. Okay, she's going to get pure and again allowed to her husband in 3 days, 5 days, 7 days. So it's not a problem. So, but what is the problem? So Shlomo HaMelech said that stolen waters are sweeter, right? What does it mean? That something it's completely forbidden. That's what per person wants. You understand? But something that is not complete, it's going to be allowed. So a person he can wait for the time, right? So she does not have to be 100% modest, modest according to the way she would go to the street in front of her husband. Of course, she's trying to be modest, not to provoke him, but the hair, for sure, there is no problem. Okay. What else? Good question.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.